Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today I have a brand new 2026 Tesla Model X Plaid that has just been transformed into t-largo-R. T-Largo was a wide-body program that we released back when the Model X initially came out in 2016, 2017. And we reimagined what the Model X should look like, taking it from a wonderful mid-size to large-size SUV with a quite humble exterior design and finish to something that we thought it should be, with a wide-body program, aggressive, sporty, make it stand out from every single other Model X that's out there. And that was a wonderfully successful program for us. It was limited edition at the time. Now, fast forward to 2021, 2022, Tesla gives us a soft, mild refresh on the Model X. And that meant it's time to redo the T-Largo program with T-Largo-R for refresh. And let me share with you, this program looks so much better than the first generation. Starting off with the lower front apron, as you can see, it accentuates visually, not height-wise, the overall appearance of the Model X and starts the wide-body program because that lower front apron is wider on both sides than the factory one, which then allows us to connect the front wheel arches or front fender extensions. It's got this wonderful cut design element, which then connects to the side skirt rocker panels, and then up onto the rear falcon wing door. You get some extensions over here connecting to the rear quarter panel with that similar design element like you see on the front fender arches. It's now on the rear, coming along to the back to a very sporty lower rear diffuser and a little bit of an adjustment to the rear wing for a sportier appearance. Now, T-Largo-R is actually made out of carbon fiber, and it comes normally in a gloss finish, which you may have seen in some of our other videos. But this particular owner actually wanted it to be all monochromatic. And this 2026 Model X also has the brand new diamond black finish from Tesla. No more gloss black. They've gone back to like an obsidian black or a metallic black. So we meticulously painted all the carbon fiber parts in diamond black to match the paint of this Model X. Looks absolutely stunning, truly one of a kind. And we finish it all off with the T-Largo wheels, finished in gloss black, floating center caps. They have a really nice concave appearance. They are 22-inch, which is the proper fitment for a Model X. And part of the package are these really cool Falcon Zenith tires, 22s. They look great, they run great. They've got the foam inside, so it's an EV spec tire. And that just finishes off this Model X completely. This is the way a Model X should look. This is T-Sportline's vision of what you should have on your Model X. Now, before I close out this video, this customer wanted to add just a little bit more of a sportier touch. And while the brake calipers are red front and rear from Tesla because this is a Plaid, the owner of this car wanted to incorporate a little bit of that red into the interior. So take a look how we have reupholstered the webbing on all 6 seats, from the standard black seatbelt webbing to a very sporty red webbing. Nice touch, not overdone, not overstated. The exterior speaks for itself. I'd love to hear some comments from you guys below. What do you think about this brand new T-Largo-R program? Do you love it? Would you put it on your Model X? And more importantly, would you paint it or would you leave it all exposed carbon fiber? Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos coming your way soon.